class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use virtual graph paper. So you'll want to start by Googling virtual graph paper and clicking on the first result. This is what the virtual online graph paper looks like. For our geometry lessons, you're probably going to want to start by making an x-axis and a y-axis. So you can drag and then release to create lines. And once you have your x and y axis, then you can plot points. So plotting a point is a little bit tricky, but you're going to find kind of where two lines cross and just do a little tiny little diagonal line, and that will create a dot. So you can plot points just like that. We'll make a triangle, and then you can connect the dots. So you can drag and then release to make a shape. The other cool thing you can do is click anywhere on the graph and you can type words. This comes in handy if you want to label your points, like this coordinate right here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 5. You can label your points. This point here would be 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you make a mistake, let's say you, accidentally make a wrong line, you can click undo to undo it. If you want to erase everything and start over, click on this red button. I think that's about it. So you can just draw lines, you can type stuff, and then remember to make a dot or to plot a point, you just really carefully with a tiny little diagonal line, just click, and hopefully the little dot will show up. That part does take practice, but I know you guys can do it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial and hope you find this tool useful. If you don't have physical graph paper at home, this is a pretty good alternative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.